Assalamualaikum, dear students. The today topic is demography. We will study demography in detail. Today is the first lecture in which we define demography and its processes and the demographic cycle. Demography is the scientific study of human population. It refers to the human population as regard to their size, composition and distribution. So in demography we study human population, its total size, composition, male, female and distribution, rural and urban area distribution. Its statistics are important for planning social and economic development of a state. So demography is very important for a country to plan its social and economic development. Demographic processes. Demographic process included the following five main factors: fertility, mortality, marriages, migration, and social mobility. Fertility is the total number of children produced from a woman. We studied in detail. Next, mortality, the number of death in that area. Marriages taken places. Migration, the movement of from person or family from one place to another place. And social mobility is also the movement from one to another place of that area. All these factors we will study in detail in the next lectures. Demographic cycle. Demographic cycle is very important in demography because every country of the world passes from a high stationary to a low stationary or declining stage by passing the middle stages of early expanding and late expanding. So this cycle is consists of five stages. These are the following: first stage, second, third, fourth and fifth. First stage is also called high stationary, second stage is called early expanding, third stage called late expanding, and fourth stage low stationary, fifth stage is declining, which is also the negative growth rate of that country. Another pictures of this is the demographic cycle. The A, B, C, D and E, these are called the first stage A, second stage B and third stage C and the fourth stage D and the fifth stage is E. A first stage is both high death rate. The upper line is birth rate and lower line is death rate. So in both A stage birth rate and death rate both are high. And then early expanding, death rate is reducing due to the inventions of vaccines and medicines, and it's early expanding. And the three, birth rate and death rate both are declining. This is called late expanding. And the D, fourth is death rate and birth rate are declining at the same level, which is all called low stationary. And the fifth, in which birth rate is decreased so much than the death rate. So this is the negative growth rate or declining of a country, in which population of a country decreases. This is another slide showing five phases of demographic cycle by other parameters: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 and phase 5. You can see in phase 1 birth rate and death rate both are high, then the demographic gap is narrow and population is stationary. The composition of this country may be young and age pyramid may be pyramidal. And phase 2, death rate declining, birth rate still high, so demographic gap is increasing, so population is growing and composition is also young, losing pyramidal shape. Phase 3, both are declining, birth rate and death rate, but population is still increasing and growing and demographic gap is still increasing. The population is young and the age pyramid is converted into globular. Phase 4, both are low, birth rate and death rate. The demographic gap is also narrow, population is stationary which is also called low stationary. Composition may be mixed. Age parameter is cylindrical. Phase 5, birth rate low and death rate is declining, and demographic gap is reversal. It means population decreasing, birth rate is less and death rate is more than birth. So population decreasing, composition should be aging, losing cylindrical shape. So all these phases which we studied in the previous slide are elaborated in this table. So you can understand very well all the process which occurring in these 5 stages. This is a slide showing the most populous countries of the world. China is in top, then the other comprising of the 21% of the population. Then the India, USA, Indonesia, Brazil and Pakistan, Russia, Bangladesh, Japan and Nigeria. So Pakistan is also the 6th most populous country of the world. Natural increase. What is natural increase? Natural increase is the surplus or deficit of the birth over death in a population in an given time period. So natural increase is equal to birth minus death, which we can write Ni is equal to B minus D. B stand for birth and D stand for death, and Ni mean natural increase, where Ni is the natural increase during a period and the B is the number of birth and D is the number of death during that period. If the births are more, then the population of that area is increasing. If the deaths are more, then the population of that area will be decreasing. Rate of natural increase. The rate of natural increase is the rate at which a population is increasing in a given year due to surplus of birth over deaths, expressed as a percentage of the base population. The rate of natural increase can be calculated from birth and death rate. This is another slide of Sweden, which showing the high birth rate and high death rate to a low birth rate and low death rates. The upper line show the crude birth rate and lower line is crude death rate. This is the from 1751 to year 2000 and more. So you can see very well rate of both birth rate and death rate is decreasing. The gap between this is demographic gap. So when both are decreasing, so country moving from high population to a low population of that country. This is the population of Pakistan showing from 1910 to 1998. In start, crude birth rate are high and crude death rate is also high. Then crude death rate decreasing. So this is show the natural increase. So this is the natural increase, which is the difference between crude birth rate minus crude death rate. So natural increase is very important for calculation of a population. When the natural increase is more, the population of that country will be more. So you can see this is the difference, and this is the how the population of a country increases from past to the present years. Birth rate minus death rate over death. This is the natural increase, percentage of natural increase. Crude birth minus crude death rate are usually expressed at per 1000, while growth rate per 100. Thank you very much. This is the today lecture, and in next lecture we will study the further topics from demography. Allah Hafiz.